Oh my god. Why is the weather so badly? It's windy. Super windy. For a second there, I thought I'd see a flash. Thought it was thunder or something. Yep. I'm not gonna sweep. I'm not gonna sleep this night because of the loud wind. I might just be tired. Or maybe it'll stop in the nighttime or something. Checking this window. I can feel the wind. My window's open. For hopefully it's not too strong because I might just float away. Hopefully the cars don't get flown away and possibly airplanes. I don't know, they're just too strong or something. Is it only windy on my side? On this side? If it gets stronger, I'm just gonna go on the other side. Okay, I think it's not going harder. Never mind.